Hey everyone, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. Today we're here at Brushwood Creations. We have a brand new Muse Titan setup inside. Let's go check it out.
We're a 100% custom woodworking shop. You can come on in here and make 3D signs to any kind of custom builds, from bottle openers, the coat hangers, the key hangers.
We also host workshops, classes. We also rent out our studio for other makers to come in and post what they like to create and make and their talents as well.
What's the first full spectrum laser that you guys bought?
We had a friend that was an old neighbor that used it for cutting material. He actually did a lot of like cloth stuff, and he let me know he was selling it, and we bought it, and that's what actually got us introduced to full spectrum.
What was your first laser that you had?
We used to do t-shirts out of the garage for a side job. One day I came home and she bought one of the Glowforge lasers. Within the first month of having it, we were so busy that the laser couldn't keep up with the demand that we had coming in. So that's what led us to getting the bigger lasers. And then from there, it just our online store went crazy. And one day during COVID, we were talking about how we should branch this out and let people come in and build the stuff that we're making. So that's how it started. We ended up making the studio and now allow people that don't have access to these lasers to come in and really get creative and make some neat stuff.
Would you guys recommend Glowforge to anyone?
No, honestly. I guess it's kind of user-friendly, but if you're really gonna like go all out and really use this for, daily use or anything, I wouldn't.
If it wasn't for the staff that was backing Full Spectrum, we would have been scared to make this push into the store.
Yeah, definitely.
If the laser went down and I had to wait weeks or months for customer support, that would be detrimental to a small mom and pop shop like us. So.
Plus your machines are awesome.
Yeah.